Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to show you guys my get ready with me 10-minute simple makeup look. So just stay tuned. This will be a channel where a video where I'm just going to speed on through it. So right now I am just placing on some serum on my face to hydrate it. And I know most girls, they spray this at the end, but I spray my setting lotion at the beginning. Now, the first thing I do is I put on my eyebrows. Now, when I get my eyebrows freshly done, I usually just put on the, now, this is my first time, ladies, so don't judge me. I'm very new to doing my eyebrows. I usually just put it on my ends and like brush it a little bit on my beginning, the thicker part of my eyebrows. I'm not a person who really like them too dark. I like them still natural, but I wanted them shaded in just a little bit. Now I'm getting ready to outline them in the PRO.conceal that I use. And I will link everything that I'm using down below. So one thing I wanted to let you guys know is that I do not do my everyday simple makeup look like everybody say or the steps that everybody else do it. I very much so customize my own steps. Reason being is because one, I don't like a lot of heavy makeup just for an everyday look. And second, I feel as though, a good blend between drugstore makeup and your Sephora makeup is enough for an everyday look. I'm not seeing a lot of people every day, so I don't want to waste my good makeup. So here what I'm doing is that's me. I'm jamming it out. Yay. I'm cute. So here I'm just blending the PRO.conceal around the eyebrow and making sure that any mistakes that I made in putting on I believe it's the Anastasia or something like that. I don't know. My sister tried to put me on the eyebrow game. Anastasia, I think that's how you pronounce it, eyebrow. Just correcting that. Now for this, what I'm doing is I'm putting the PRO.conceal all over in my troubled area. So on my cheeks. And then I also put the Sephora PRO.conceal. I dot that. Now, many people do a lot of contouring this time. I'm not a person who contours at all. I don't even know how I don't know how to do none of that. So what I do is I put this as a base for my foundation. I put this literally everywhere. Many people always ask, how do you get your skin so smooth? I literally put a lot of concealer on my face as a base for my foundation. I don't just put them in certain problem areas. I put it everywhere. So it's a full face thing for me. Reason being is because I sweat, and this is the method that has worked for me to stop me from overly sweating. Then I spray the setting lotion and I'll let that dry some more. Don't worry, ladies. Yes, I know it looks a little awkward, it looks a little weird, but it will all come together at the end. So before that setting lotion finally sets, I do take my makeup brush and I smooth it all in. Right now I'm using my Maybelline Liquid Dream foundation. And this is a Walmart drugstore brand. Yes, ladies. It's as simple as that. I use that and I do a full coverage. Now, mind you, I'm only using one brush for everything. This is also what I'm using is the mousse to the liquid foundation. And the reason I'm using the mousse for this time is because I am planning to, do a little something extra today. So I used the mousse just a tad bit. As you can see, I'm using just a tad bit of it, nothing too much, because I'm planning to do something today for a special thing, but it's not too much. Now I'm going to do my eyeliners, and I use the NYX One thing about me and my eyeliner is I like it kind of heavy because I want it to be visible, and I'm not above, critiquing. That is something I always mess up on my eyeliner, but however, I mean, it's an easy fix because the concealer that I use, I can just reapply it and you would never know. So sorry for being so close in the camera. I could not see. I don't know how women do it. I guess they have like a little handheld, but I have a studio, like a studio setup where, I have a large mirror. So that's what I'm looking in to get everything done. Now I'm using the same, I think it's called Anastasia. If I'm not correct, it's down below. I'm using the Anastasia mascara. This is also something that my sister put me on. Woo woo. I love it. It thickens my eyelashes. One thing I'm trying to do is grow them. So that is something I've added into my routine. And this is how I fix the mistake of when my eyeliner was too thick in the corner of my eye. I literally just put a little bit more concealer on. This is the Sephora stainer that I use. I believe it goes around anywhere between $11 and $15. I put the stainer on. And baby, I love me a red lip on a dark woman. I just love it. I love red lip. That's like my signature thing. Every single day I'm wearing a red lip. And this is basically how I do it. I don't blend it just yet around like my neck and around my neck and the side of my face until after I put on my shirt. But for this instance, because I'm wearing white, I don't blend on my neck. I just blend around and under it. But yeah, ain't I cute? I'm so cute. That's it, ladies. Simple as that. Also, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me below if your routine is just as simple as this. I don't believe you got to follow all the rules the gurus made to have a nice, simple, natural, everyday look. So tell me your thoughts below in the comments. See you next time. Bye.